In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your AI image talk with your real voice.
Since YouTube is removing and also demonetizing on faceless YouTube channel because of inauthentic video or mass production, and some people their reason is because of copyright music. In fact, a whole lot. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your AI image talk with your real voice. Imagine your AI image talking with your real voice, like. And the good thing about this is that you can make that AI image to talk in any language you want, in Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, in fact, any language. Hi, I'm Grow with Chioma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Video I teach you about a lot of things, down to finances, down to creating your faceless YouTube channel, down to how to grow your YouTube channel. If this is what you're interested in, then do what to subscribe and don't forget to like and leave a nice and wonderful comment in the comment section. I'm going to be teaching you how to make your AI image talk with your real voice. I know, right? I'm so excited. So to make your AI image to talk with your real voice, there are processes or procedures you need to follow. Now, it has two types. It has one that you can record directly through the website and the one that you go through a long process. In fact, whatever works for you. I'm just dropping the two types so you will know whatever works for you. And the second type, which is recording in your recording app in your phone, then taking it directly to the website. So whatever works for you is fine. So firstly, you're going to have a script in mind. Maybe from your head or the one you want your video to talk, maybe the one ChatGPT generated for you. But for the purpose of this image, I'm going to be creating this video with just what is in my head. But if you're using it for your podcast, faceless YouTube channel, or for your storytelling, then you can use the one that ChatGPT gave you, like the script ChatGPT gave you for your video. Let's dive into the tutorial. So firstly, we are going to generate our voice. We are going to do the hard part or the long part firstly. Now for the first part, we're going to record our voice with our recording app in our phone. So let's dive into the tutorial.
We're going to first of all generate our voice before converting our image to talk with our voice. And for this, we are going to be going to our voice recorder. So you're going to go to your phone, look for that app that you use to record your voice, any app of your choice. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using the main recording app on this phone. Record whatever you want your AI image to say. So let's record now. So I'm going to come here and click on this to record. Oh, can't record when microphone is in use. So I'm going to go off camera and record this, then come back and show you guys my record. So now I'm done with recording the voice. You can see it here. I just recorded it now. So let's listen to it. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your AI image to talk with your real voice, not those type of AI voice. As you can see, I'm talking with my real voice, right? Good. Now let me say it in Igbo so that you can see that you can do it with any language. Tata, me go see no twins, make your image with onu nkiki. I hope you like this, right? So let's dive right into the tutorial. Good. So you can see that I've already recorded the voice, right? So I'm going to come and change the name of the voice so it will be easy for me to locate when I want to convert it. So I'm going to come here and say AI voice clone. That's what I'm going to name it. You can name yours anything.
After recording the voice, we are going to convert this voice note that you recorded to MP3. And for this, we are going to go to Chrome and now use a website that converts any audio to MP3. Let's go.
After recording your voice, you will now have to convert it to MP3. And for this, we are not going to go to our Chrome. We're going to go to our Chrome, and then we're going to search for what convert this video to MP3. We're going to go to Chrome and search for voice convert voice converter to MP3. That is what we are going to look for. Voice converter to MP3. you're going to choose this audio converter. This audio converter. Now we're going to come here and choose file. You're going to choose your file. There is a step I'm omitting. Let's go back. You're going to go back to that your voice recorder. You're going to go back to that your voice recorder because you need to save it in your file. You're going to come here and long press it and click on save as. When you click on save as, you will now create a new folder, or you can save it to anything you want to save it to. So I'm going to come here and save it to recording. And now say use this folder, allow. It has been saved to recording. Now I'm going to go back again to that website, and this page they say choose file. I'm going to come here and click from device. Then when I click from device, I'm going to come here and click photo and videos. When I click on photo and videos, this is what is going to come out. I'll just come here and search for what I'm looking for, because remember I've already named the recording. I named it to AI video clone, right? So I'm going to come here and click on AI video clone. So you can see it has appeared here. It's in MP4. So I'm going to click on it and wait for it to load. Now it's going to convert it to MP3. Then we're going to click on convert. It's converting it to MP3. So this, remember, like I said, record your voice in your recording app, then come here and convert it to MP3. Then I'm going to come here and click on download. It's already downloading. Then I'm going to click on open. So you can see it's in MP3. I'm going to come here and click on save. It has already downloaded. Now we have gotten our voice, we are going to get our image. You can use any image of your choice. Remember, you can use any image of your choice. So I'm going to come here and go to my ChatGPT to generate the image I want to use for this. I think I already have an image in mind that I want to use, but you as a person, you're going to give ChatGPT your prompt. For the purpose of this video, I already have an image that I want to use for this video. This is the image I created. This is a prompt I used. This is the image. Hold on, this is the image. So I'm going to long press it and I'm going to click on download image. So this is the image I want to use for the purpose of this video. Now, after getting the image in mind, just create any image of your choice.
We now want to convert our image into, if we want to convert our image into a video with that voice record that we generated. So for this, we are going to be going into the Chrome
and go to onevideo.ai. Then I'm going to click on it and I'm going to click on it. Now come to this site. If you don't have an account, then you need to sign up. But if you have an account, then you have to sign in. Now, when using this website, please make sure you use it in a desktop site, in a desktop format. Come here, then you're going to click on this picture image down here. Then when you click on it, then add the image that you want to use. So upload from device. Then we're going to come here and pick the image. This is the image we are using. We're going to click on done, right? Then we're going to come here for audio. You can see this audio aspect. You're going to come here, click on this audio. There are many ways to go about this audio. If you want to use your recorder, you can record directly, and if you want to use that one with converted to MP3. But why I did that conversion of MP3 is because when you convert it to MP3, it cleans your background noise in case if you're in a noisy place. So in this audio aspect, I'm going to click on audio. Then I'm going to come here and add that voice or audio we converted to MP3. I'm going to click on photo and video. Then I'm going to search for AI. So this is it. I'm going to click on it and it is loading. Let's play so you can hear. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your AI image talk with your real voice and in any language of your choice, like this. Tata, I'm going to go to make an AI image in a with any language. Here you see, then we're going to click on confirm, right? Let's click on confirm and it is loading. Please do all these things in desktop format. Then we're going to click on generate. You're going to say friendly. When it comes to this prompt, you're going to say friendly and jovial, right? Jovial. Then we're going to come here and click on generate. So this takes time to generate, right? It takes time to generate. So our video is done generating. So let's see what it looks like, right? Let's play it. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your AI image talk with your real voice. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you. So you can see the video we created was 5 seconds, right? Yes, it was 5 seconds. So I'm going to come back again to make another one again till I get what I want. So I'm going to come here and click back on this audio and click on trim, right? It stopped at, okay, hold on, let me play it. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your AI image talk with your real voice. And in okay, it stopped at 5, right? So we're going to come here and trim it. Let's listen again. Of a choice like this. Tata me go to go to make an AI image in a book with any language or one HR. Of a choice like this. Tata me go to go to make an AI image in a book with any language or one HR. I'm going to click on confirm, right? Now let me go back again and watch where this video stops because I don't want to make any mistake. How to make your AI image talk with your real voice. Okay. In this video, it stopped at real voice, right? And remember, we want to continue from where the video stopped. Let's go back again to audio for final checkup. Audio. We're going to go back again to trim and hold on. Let's see again. Which of a choice like this. Right. Choice. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your AI image talk with your real voice. In this video, I'm going to. Okay, voice, right? Hold on. Let's go again. I used to be very careful when creating my videos. Which of a choice like this. So I'm going to come back again and move it, trim it. Going to trim it again. Good. Confirm. After trimming our audio, we now have to generate again. We will now have to do what? Generate again. So I'm going to click on generate. So now the second one is done generating. So let's listen to what the second one generated. Let's watch. And in any language of your choice, like this. And in any language. So not to make this video too long, the rest I'll be doing it off camera, but these are the 2 videos we cut. Please, if you found this helpful, do what to like, subscribe, and leave a nice and wonderful comment in the comment section.
We are done. This is a practical work. This is a practical of our work. Let's watch it together.
In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your AI image talk with your real voice and in any language of your choice, like this.
So this is how to make your AI image talk with your real voice. And I hope you found this helpful. If you love things like this and you want to see more of this from me, then do what to like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a nice and wonderful comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you guys in my next video. Bye.